Everyone, today we are going to learn trigonometry. What is meaning of trigonometry? What is trigonometry? It's a branch of mathematics which deals about the triangles, all about triangles. So let us move to the lesson. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry means measures of three angles in right angle triangle. Trigonometry means measures of three angles in a right angle triangle. So it deals with relationship between the sides and the angles. It deals with relationship between the sides and the angles. In triangle, there will be three sides and three angles. So trigonometry deals with relationship between the sides and the angles. If one angle, one side length is known, all other side lengths can be determined. All other side lengths and also angles can be determined using this trigonometry functions. So let us move to the lesson. So trigonometry means it deals with relationship between the sides and the angles. Let us move into that. When we are moving into in trigonometry, the first thing you should know is trigonometry ratios. So what is trigonometry ratios? So there are 6 trigonometry ratios. One is sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Sine, cosine, tangents, all three are basic ratios. And secant, cosecant, and cotangent, they are all reciprocals of sine, cos, and tan. Let us move into that. So before learning ratios, first we have to know the sides of the right angle triangle. So we know that the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called as hypotenuse, and this is base. The horizontal line is called as base of the right angle triangle, and vertical line is called as perpendicular side of the right angle triangle. So we come to the trigonometry ratios. The names are changed, slightly changed. The three sides of the trigonometry triangles are labeled hypotenuse. One is hypotenuse. It is opposite to right angle and also largest side. See, the right angle is here. Could you see the orange color? This is right angle. So opposite side of the right angle is called as hypotenuse. This is the largest side of the right angle triangle. Always the hypotenuse will be larger than other two sides. The next one is the adjacent side. The adjacent side is the side which is adjacent of the angle taken. Here angle is taken in here. So the adjacent side will be adjacent of the angle taken. Then here it is taken, angle is taken in this in second triangle, angle is taken in this angle. So this side will be here, the perpendicular side will be adjacent of the triangles. Okay, the next one is the opposite side. Opposite side means the side which is opposite to the angle taken. Here angle is taken in base, so the opposite to the base side is base angle is called as opposite side of this triangle. Here angle is taken in perpendicular side, so the this opposite side is considered as opposite side of this particular angle. So you have to keep in your mind hypotenuse, adjacent side, and also opposite side. We are going to learn trigonometry ratio formulas. Now we are going to learn trigonometry ratio formulas. So trigonometry ratios can be found by ratios of the any two sides of the given triangle. Trigonometry ratios can be found by ratios of the any two sides of the given triangle. So here it is given right angle triangle. The angle is taken here. So opposite side is perpendicular line is the opposite side here. Baseline is the adjacent side here. Opposite to the right angle is a hypotenuse here, right? So now we are going to see the formula for the ratios. We know that sine, cosine, and tan. They are all basic ratios, right? So for finding sine ratio, we have to divide opposite by hypotenuse. Here, O indicates opposite, H indicates hypotenuse. So sine theta, for finding sine theta, it is expression for expressing by sine theta. So the sine theta, to find the sine theta, we have to find the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. The same way for finding cosine, cosine in short way we can express in cos theta. So for finding cos theta, we have to find the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So next, tangent. For finding tangent, in short form, we can say tangent as tan theta. For finding tangent ratio, we have to find the ratio of opposite and adjacent. O indicates opposite, A indicates adjacent. And we have three more ratios, right? So three more ratios are cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So we discussed that cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine, right? Cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. As we have the ratio for finding sine theta, we have to find the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse. The same way for finding cosecant theta, we have to find ratio of the hypotenuse and opposite. As cosecant is the next one, in secant theta is the reciprocal of the cosine, right? So cos theta, secant is the reciprocal of the cos theta, as cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, so secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. And next, cotangent. In short form, cotangent can be read cot. And cot theta is a reciprocal of the tan. So we have for tan, opposite by adjacent, we know that. And for cot, adjacent by opposite, because cot is the reciprocal of the tan. So cot theta, for finding cot theta, we have to find the ratio of adjacent and opposite. Example, so here a triangle is given. It is a right angle triangle. We are going to find all trigonometry ratios of this triangle. So we know that here angle is given. So opposite side, what is the opposite side here? Perpendicular line side is the opposite side for this angle. Then adjacent side is, the baseline is the adjacent for this angle. Now we are going to find the ratios for this given angle. So we know that hypotenuse 5 units, opposite 3 units, adjacent is 4 units. Let us find the trigonometry ratios. So for sine theta, we know that opposite by hypotenuse. We know that opposite is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5 is the sine theta. For finding cos theta, we know that adjacent by hypotenuse. So that means adjacent side is 4 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. So 4 by 5 is the cos theta. For finding tan theta, opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is 3 and adjacent is 4. So same way we can find cosec. So we know that cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. So opposite by hypotenuse, in cosec we will write hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse is here 5 and opposite is 3. So for finding cosec theta, we will write 5 by 3. Then next, secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Here hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 4. So 5 by 4 is the cosec theta. Then cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent is 4 and opposite is 3. So here we have found all the ratios of the given triangle. Okay, the given triangle, all the side lengths are given. So just we have substituted all the numbers in the formula. So are you clear about it?